How's it going, guys? Welcome to Ambro's Landscaping YouTube channel. Today's video, we are at one of our condos because we only maintain commercial and condo now. So if you guys are wondering why I'm always at a condo, it's because that's all we maintain. I dropped all my residential accounts earlier this year, so we are no longer doing residential, despite what my trailer says, but don't pay attention to that. So today we are doing, as you guys can tell, the leaves. Well, you probably can't tell because I haven't shown you. The leaves are falling, so it's time to pick them up. And so we will be using some very not different. We're using our equipment. We're using the Walker T25i. We're using the Husqvarna B580 BTS backpack blower because I haven't used that blower yet for leaves. So first time. I'm gonna try to get as much drone shots as possible. This place is not really good for recording because they always come out and complain and talk and that. So we're gonna be picking up those leaves as well as more, plus tons of hedge trimming. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage as possible. Sorry if I'm moving around a lot. Just trying to show you guys all the scenery, but basically that's it, guys. And then we're also going to get some footage of the Weibang 21-inch mower, which you guys have never heard of. So anyways, let's go and get started. Alright guys, so it is later in the day now, and we have been in the same section, not just for leaf pickup, but we've been also doing hedge trimming. We've been doing those shrubs up against the building, so those are starting to look good. And this is like the third time we've mowed this section. And for the past, where are you going, camera? No, get back here. Sorry guys, still getting used to my gimbal. But anyway, so we've been in the same section, and we've already mowed this section like 3 times. Same with the leaf pickup, and the wind was just really bad, and so it was basically a losing battle. But it's calmed down now, so we're gonna try to do one more cleanup before we head out, do a little bit more hedge trimming, then we'll be done. So basically it. So let's get this mowed up, let's head home. And I did at one point, I didn't crash my drone, but it got caught up in the tree. One of those trees right there. My sensors for some reason didn't pick it up, so for like 8 seconds it was like literally running in the tree, and it couldn't get out of it because the propellers kept going, which is kind of stupid. And then finally, after 8 seconds, it asked me if I want to land, so I landed, and then it kind of fell down and fell on the grass. Not too bad, it's okay. The sensors were supposed to be really good and pick that stuff up, but I guess it didn't. But anyway, so let's get back to work and we'll keep going. Alright guys, so we're going to be calling it good today. So we spent mostly this whole entire day on this side picking up leaves as well as doing some hedge trimming. So we got this shrub done as well as all the other shrubs along that whole side. Doesn't seem like a lot, but that's one thing that sucks about recording, is that the recording just takes so much of your time, especially for me because I'm using the drone, I'm using my gimbal, and I'm trying to get as many different unique creative shots that way. It's not like the same video. I hate doing the same kind of video over and over again because to me it gets boring, and I like to be as entertaining to you guys as well, and hopefully that you guys learn something. So we're gonna go dump the truck. I need to build higher walls on this thing. I've been meaning to do it for a little bit, but so we're gonna go dump this before we hook it all up. We had some rain. You can't tell, but well, now you can. You can see the wind starting to definitely pick up. It's starting to pick up. So we're gonna go ahead and call it early before it gets too crazy, and might as well say goodbye to all this because it's gonna look like crap in just probably like 15 minutes. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for liking, or thanks so much for watching. I don't know if you liked it yet, but be sure to like, subscribe if you guys do like the video. If you guys have more questions about that Weibang mower so far, I've actually been really liking that mower. To me, it comes just as close to a Honda mower, which is pretty good because I love my Honda mowers. I'm a huge Honda mower fan. And so GIE is in a couple weeks. I'm going to be going to the GIE, and so I will be at the booth on Friday. I don't know. I just heard about it this morning, but I'll be at probably the Weibang GIE booth, as well as several other booths with the companies that I work with, probably Husqvarna, Still, all these other stuff. So anyways guys, be sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time on Ambro's 𝐒𝐓𝐄𝐃. Goodbye.